What's up, everybody? Welcome to Wreckfest Mobile. How you doing? Hope all is well. On what's this track called? Hell Ride, I think. I'm not sure. It's definitely a classic for. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna have to reset. It's definitely a classic for Wreckfest. This track. But we have to get score. We have to get a lot of score here. But not wreck out. Okay, we're gonna reset again. I have to make it around this turn. Yeah. Get it. What's bronze? 538,000? Jesus. Also, that was a smooth jump. There's already dead cars all over the place. There's a bunch of them right here. Holy crap. And I'm still at 70 some health. Let's go. Oh. Just let him go for a minute and then got him. Take the jump again, why not? Yeah, we just jumped over somebody. Okay, reset. We've had so many resets. Goodness, traffic jam. Yeah, I can't make it up. I can never make it up this turn. I'm dead in the water. Okay, we're moving. Cycle missile one. You know what? This is a rip. We lost. We lost this one. So get to the next one. Well. This is fair, right? Oh man, this is so bad. Yo, they're like stuck under me, man. I couldn't get back past them. This isn't gonna be good for them. Not at all. There's gonna be bodies flying all over the place here in a second. Oh, I just landed on that dude, yo. Just murked that dude. Oh. Oh, he just went completely under me. Oh. And see y'all later. Yo, this is gonna be an easy dub, so I'm gonna kind of just try and have yo. I got 5 laps of this. Let's go. I'll just take out whoever passes me. Let's see if we can make the jump. Take him out on the way up. No, he's gonna take himself out. I love the random tournament chaos modes. This is great. This is great. Hold on. Who's my next victim? Okay, let's go. Y'all want it too? I'm gonna chew them up and spit them out. Let's go. Oh! Dang it. I took myself out. Oh, I guess you're coming with me, buddy. Ooh. These poor guys. Oh, these poor guys. No, come here. Oh, there he goes. I'll just slam on my brakes. care if they pass me. We still got 2 laps, pretty much. I'm only down to 7th. No big deal. Oh, I see. Can that dude make the jump? Look at him. Ow. We're cartwheeling. We're still cartwheeling. Okay, I'm resetting. Kind of put myself in a predicament now. We're on the last lap. Can I come back and win? We have to win. I just passed so many people. Okay, we're up to 9th. Stay away from me. No! 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 Reset! We're not gonna win. We're not gonna win. They trolled us. Oh, well, that was cool. Yeah, we're gonna take the jump. See how high up we could finish. I just crushed somebody. That was terrible. We're awesome at the same time. Let's go. What'd I finish? I got 6, so we get bronze. I mean, okay, alright. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't taking no bronze. I want all the fame points I can get, so I'm coming back for that first. I'll troll with them, but up till like the start of the 4th lap, we gotta take it serious. Also, this is just too fun. But look at him. See you later. Yo, off into the grandstand. Okay, not really. Well, the grandstand wasn't there. I don't know what I'm talking about. They're just flying. Oh, see, bodies all over the place. I love it. I'm gonna try and run them all over. Ooh. So sorry, guys. Yo, I got one, like, stuck under me. Thank you. Okay, lap 2. We're down to 15th. It's because I'd be toying with them. We got to win. And also not cartwheel here. We're gonna take the shortcut. Bodies flying all over the place. We're up to 5th. We're not gonna worry about him. We're gonna get these guys up here. Oh yeah, that dude went into the grandstand. 100%. That dude went into the grandstand. I'm just gonna. Oops. Oh my goodness. Bad accidents all over the place. We'll take the jump. It led me into the jump. We're gonna hit reset. We're not gonna take the jump. It's lap 3. We're down to 9th again. We gotta pick it up here. We gotta stop messing with them. At the same time, I just can't help myself. I just can't help myself. Oh, y'all gotta get out of my way. See you later. Don't do that. Why would you? That was death for you, buddy. I'm sorry. And you too. See you later. I had to slow down so much right there. We're up to 3rd. I got a car underneath me. I can't speed up. Sir, thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh man, last lap. I'm down to 3rd. Oh. I love these little jumps. It's like little whoops, whatever you want to call them. Okay, we're in second. First. Just gotta bring it home. I can't tell you how many times I've hit that flagpole, but yeah, let's go. I appreciate you for tuning in for today's crazy episode of Wreckfest. Monster truck versus all go-karts. Love it. Like and subscribe for more though. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you're into, as I crash into another flagpole. But if you're into Pokemon Go, I post all my eggs that I hatch as shorts. So come to the channel, check them out. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. I'm flipping.